In this short video, I'm going to show you how to open and change the battery on a key fob for Skoda Octavia 2003. So the first step that you need is to have a small screwdriver that you are going to use. You see this small opening there. You are going to insert a screwdriver. You are going to insert a screwdriver on this small hole here and then pop using that screwdriver, and the two parts are going to separate. Just like that. The two parts are going to separate. Then you are going to use that screwdriver. You see there is some pins on the side. You're going to use the screwdriver to loosen the clips on the side of the key fob. After using the screwdriver to loosen those clips, then you can see the battery inside. After that, you take your new battery and then you insert onto the fob. Let me insert first and then I'll show you the next step, because it is difficult to insert it with one hand. After inserting the battery, then you can take the other part and insert them together as it was.